welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Michelle Donner. And she is just taking her time, doing her little thing and entertaining her followers as they reach out to her to speak with her about different situations. Well, now she's saying, that Misty would have to sue basically Ashanti because allegedly he said more stuff, and more stuff than she had did. And basically, the things that she knew is through what Ashanti said about Miss D. And now Ashanti and Miss D, they're best friends allegedly. So you have to catch the video for the breakdown of what Madonna had to say. She wasn't too much into dealing with what Miss D, had to say. But go ahead and catch the video and like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourself a wonderful one.
Promote your content on them business. Everything, every intricate detail of their business. What is this? I'ma be me. I'ma be me all day, every day. I can't be nobody but me. I can't be nobody but me. Right? I'm just gonna be me and nothing's gonna change. You understand what I'm saying? Like, nothing's gonna change. Somerset, America. And I said, Pauline, I agreed. Yeah, I agreed. Yeah. Don't know about the second part of your comment, but yeah, I think things could have been done differently, but it wasn't. And we're here, and I've seen worse. Mr. Ashanti say some horrible and disgusting things, and he was embraced. He was embraced. You can't talk to me about nothing, really and truly, when you think about it. I am sorry, and I'm not saying, and I don't want to deflect. You understand? I don't want to take away from whatever is going on with me. But I'm just saying, I know that, the friendship thing or whatever, but for somebody to be in social media, to be saying horrible, nasty things, for you to know, to be friends with them, friends, you have to go sue Ashanti before you sue me. When you think about it, honest to God, Miss Dana, I tell you the truth what God love. You don't have to go sue, because some things when I say about what you, and he made me know those things. Because me never know certain things, and he said certain things. And now you are friends. You are best of friends. He's your co-worker, right? Wanna hug up. I have never met her, Miss Dana, before, never. And they've hugged, and she's complimented him and all of these things, and say, oh, she would have, him lookable, or him dareable, or whatever. They're not, I've never met Miss Dana before. You understand what I'm saying? So, worse things have happened in social media, right? And he was embraced. Not that I'm looking to come back. I'm just saying. You understand? That's why why am I gonna stress myself and run under a rock? Huh? When the worst person on social media is our co-worker, where she embrace and hug up, she hug him up, and bring him into the fold. So she shouldn't have to go sue Ashanti first. I'm being honest. And the whole of the Plancatarians, embrace him. I don't even watch Ashanti live. I don't really watch Ashanti live. He's one of those persons over on YouTube. Like, no. Pass through and you hear your voice, I'm just gone. Grates on you. It grates on you. And no, I'm not saying. That's why I'm saying, watcher. I wonder if you not listen. You not listen? I wonder if you not listen. Mr. Worse have happened in social media before. Yeah? And None of them no drop down dead. They're still here. And they're social media friends. Right? Try to bring another woman down because of YouTube money. I know me that. YouTube. It's that for me. That go for me. That not go for me. Don't worry. They'll be looking for something else to talk about in the next 1.5 days. 1.5. And I'll still be here. We'll all be here by God's grace. By God's grace, we'll all still be here. And we are talking about another mix-up. And who will leave my page, leave my page. Who will stay. Right? No, so? Simple. You don't make nothing bother me, you know. You know. I don't make certain things bother me. Why should it? It's in a virtual world. It's not gonna. Why should it bother me? Like me say, my clothes. When my clothes, clothes are from this. Who me see? Me see my family in it. They're the ones that I see. I'm trying to finish this. I have oh gosh. I have a bit of way to go. My God. No. This not right. This not look right. This not look right. This not right. This not right. This my affy. Check it again. This not right. Yes, they are co-workers. Instead of my co-workers, isn't it? In big up in co-worker all the time. They met, and they embraced over in Canada. And then, they were suddenly co-workers and he's now defending her, So that's what I'm saying. Like, why would I... Why am I going to drop down and dead, Why am I going to curl up in a ball over something where me see worse, so much worse in a social media? And now he's their biggest cheerleader, whatever it is. Yeah. This is social media. It is what it is. It is what it is. That's why I don't stress over these things. That's why I say nothing studying on social media no bother me. Yes, me know the people that talk about me like all over the media, them a screen record and everything. So I come and sit down in front of you and chat gibberish with you now and sit down and listen to the gibberish in it. That's how social media works. That's how social media works, sweetheart. If you know, you know. If you don't, you're not going to understand. You're just not going to understand it. The people that know them know. Exactly, of course. Say some disgusting things, some awful, nasty things about her. Awful things. You can't... Oh, gosh. Oh, no. I never did the same thing. And no, them a full-fledged social media friends, innit? They met and all of these things. You know? Nothing can erase what him do. I'm here to tell her that straight. I'm not care what nobody wants to say. And this is, and I've said this before, this is not me deflecting or justifying anything at all. You know, I'm just saying, you know, this is social media and people, you know, they do their cock-ups. I've seen it, you know, several times. And mix up, go on for a couple of days and whatever, and people move on. You don't sing a song and dance about it, you know. But obviously it's Michelle, you know. Michelle Ladana, so. You know, if it happened to her because she go on like say, she know everything. And she's holier than thou. And all of these things. And she should have known better. And, you know, and all these things. So I said, I'm cold fat. You understand what I'm saying? Like, we all make boo-boos. People come out and, you know, they apologize for what them do. They get involved in things where they're not supposed to get involved in, settings where they're not supposed to get in, you know, say and whatever. People come and do all kind of, you know, prank on them one another and say all kind of things and so much. So much. So much. One day I watch one married couple over on YouTube. I see them play one prank with each other to blouse and skirt. I say I'm nervous, I start shake. And it did cause problem. I'm not going to call the couple name neither. It did cause problem. Some dangerous things that must take place on the internet. So you think I'm going to get up and worry about something like this one time I tried to save my own, I want to say skin, but, you know, not skin, I want to save my skin. You know, just an opportunity. Right? Oh, yeah. What? Michelle, they say they're against you because you're no longer on their side. Well, I'm not going to be against me then, you know, because I'm not doing the sides thing. You understand what I'm saying? And I'm not talking about them anymore, to be honest. You know, I stated this several times. You know, I'm not talking about them anymore, anything like that. I don't want to, you know, and yeah, it's not a space that I should be in any longer. You understand what I'm saying? Unless things change, then me come back. But I'm not. No, honestly, I am not. I'm not. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I promise you, it is not. It's not worth it. But just Suki, you say you think that Auntie Dana is not joking, and I said, you know, I'm prepared. I'm prepared. I've prepared myself. You understand? So you want me to be worried? You want me to be worried? That's what you pay. That's why you pay other people to represent you. You understand what I'm saying? My man in a film bed, lay down asleep, and you sat sitting and worry about the man. The man in my house in a film bed, and him nah cough, but you have vomit. Him not have sick stomach. He not have upset stomach, but you there vomit over the little man we may have. In bed, asleep. Why are you worried about him? You should not be worried about my husband. He's my husband. Regardless of what you want to think or say, he's my husband. Don't worry about him. Let's stick to social media. Let's talk about what's going on in social media. Don't worry about him. Don't come on and worry about other people in a people's house. Don't worry about the man. I am sitting here and the man in a bed. In nice, comfortable bed, but they was the sleep and a dream about me, they know. Don't worry about him, sweetheart. Why you come on and not worry about him?